Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today, just a real quick video up first. Just wanted to show you one of the things I do before I prepare to do my pour. Especially when I'm doing a Dutch pour. It's so critical that your paints be the same consistency. And the best way to check, until you get used to it, is to do a drip test. And that is what I'm going to do right now. So you want to try and obviously get equal amounts of each of your colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I let it go for 5 seconds, just so that I have a good baseline, I understand, I know. So now I can see that quite a few of my colors are none of them are really the same consistency that I need, right? There's quite a difference between them. So what I have to do is add more water to these two, add just a touch of water to my white, because if I can get everything equal to this, to my thinnest one, then I'll be good to go, because I know that that one is exactly what I need it to be, and I just know that by feel. So all I will do now is just take my water, add a little bit at a time, give it a good mix. Make sure you're scraping your sides very often so that you're getting all of that stuff, the paint off the sides, the bottom. Scrape your stick. Add just a little bit more. And when you're adding water at this point, especially when you're this close to each other, you're working in drops at this point. You're not working in ounces or even quarter ounces. You're literally working in drops. In that last round here, I probably put about maybe 5 drops of water in there. You don't need a lot. A little tiny bit of water will go a long way for this. So I will continue on and keep adding my water. If I feel the need to, I will sometimes do one more drip test just in case, if I feel like I really am not sure on some of the paints, especially if I'm working with metallics. I will do that quite a bit more because metallics can be very deceiving. And they need to be, well, they hit a little bit differently in the cup, right? One thing to look into is the rheology of paint. So kind of in layman's terms, I guess that's talking about what happens with the surface tension of the paint and whether your paint, the simplest way to put it is to understand is if your paint streams off of your stick, that is having, correct me if I'm wrong here, somebody, but I believe that's a long rheology. Or if you notice and it goes right into the paint itself, or sometimes you'll notice you get kind of the drip and plop is what I like to call it off of the stick. That's a short rheology. So anyways, go look that up if you're interested at all in some of the science behind this. I think it's a little bit interesting. There are a lot of products you can work with as well. If you want to change the rheology of your paint. Some examples here are, this is a clear tar gel by Golden, and this is a clear leveling gel by Golden. The clear leveling gel will give you more of a stream off of your stick, and the tar gel will give you more of the drip and plop, as I like to call it. So if you're ever curious about any of that things, by all means reach out to me and I can explain a little bit more, but that's just kind of a quick, brief introduction. Anywho, my next video will be out soon. I'm about to do this pour in the next of my series of my monochromatic, and as you saw, these are my 2 colors I'll be using. I absolutely love how they turned out. This is just teal by Golden, and then teal with a whole lot of titanium white, silver, and a little bit of iridescent gold fine, so that it's a bit metallic and shiny. And then I've got my black and white, and that's all I'll be using for today's pour. Super excited for it, so check back guys, and we'll see you on that video.